Wait. Let's take thumbnail picture. Why are you opening your mouth?
A funny nose. And my funny tummy.
Your funny tummy.
And my funny legs.
So I've rubbed calamine lotion. So I should open his body so that it's not too hot. So this is me dealing with a child that has measles. I'm just grateful to God that we discovered this thing.
Yes, because I take my drugs.
What happened that you took your drug?
Because I was not having a headache.
Okay.
But big boy.
Anyway, so we discovered it on time, and so it's not having fever or anything. So I'm grateful to God because they're telling me that it comes with serious fever. So yeah. Before, this calamine lotion used to be white. So I'm just saying that it's pink now because I remember when I had chicken pox, it was white that time.
But I want this thing for you.
What did you rub?
I want this pink thing and I want it. And I want it to your hand.
Anyway, you go and check that song now, okay?
Yes, I need download.
Go and bring it, let me download it for you.
Oh! There are vegetables.
VeggieTales.
But I was having that show.
You watch VeggieTales. Anyway, you guys, so that's it. Please, look out for your kids because I heard that it's in the air. So our kids are healed in Jesus' name. So I want to quickly work on. Check the bay. It's on the bay. I want to do something for my plants, you guys. I miss gardening now. Baby's looking pretty. I need to get like a new, what's it called, this guy for these ones. I have a lot of them, so well, not a lot, I'm growing them, but these two are going to my filming area. So so much for our plants maintenance. I'm coming, let me take this. Look at them looking so pretty. So cute.
That's my picture.
Maybe please leave this place.
It's not that fun.
So I think I'm going to get like another one to put there. I should just leave that one. Let me put this mug here. I have a hanging something that's coming there. I've not just had the time to do that one. So yeah, please leave them. Oh Jesus Christ, you guys, I just finished filming. I'm so tired. Let me unbox this wireless microphone that I got. I've been seeing it online, so I was like, I now went on Jumia to check it, and they had it, and it's 6,500. So you don't need to be going around with this long something. You just put it on your phone, connect your OTG, and you're good to go. So this is what it looks like, especially for vloggers. Like, I feel like this is going to be so nice. Can improve the quality of your video. It has this thing here, so you just plug it to your phone and plug this one to the mic to your, and you're good to go. So far I like I'm not using it currently because I'm charging using power bank to charge my phone as I'm filming. And yeah, the only thing is that I feel like it lags. I don't know why, whether it's because it's the first time I'm using it, but the sound is very, very clear. It's really very nice, and I'm liking it. You can use it for your live, you can use it for interviews, you can use it for vlogs, short videos, and all of that. So yeah, they say you can do 20 meters of accessible reception. Look at it, 6,800. I got it on Jumia. I don't know why they don't have affiliate link. I would have put it. I should go and be a Jumia affiliate because we are all about our bag this season. Anyway, you guys, I don't know how I'm feeling. I feel feverish since morning. I have succeeded in filming all the videos that I did not film last week. I've done like how many videos today? Like 3 or 4 videos, because today I said today we must do this video thing. My feelings will not affect my money this month. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Abela is okay, has been playing. I don't even know. If not that I don't want him to go to school to go and spread this thing, he would have gone to school because we have just been disturbing me in my videos and everything. Anyway, let me not ramble too much. I'll see you guys if I have anything worth showing you people. So I'm thinking of starting streaming so that we can hit our watch hours on this channel. It's just that I have, like, my issue with streaming is that I cannot just sit down, come and be gisting. I don't have gist to gist with you guys because my gist channel is Matters Arising TV. You guys, if you don't know, that's my other channel. So I do commentaries and gisting. What commentaries? More of commentaries over there. And I know that I need to get my watch hours so that we can monetize on this channel and begin to make money on this channel. But there are two things that I'm like, okay, either we do like social media for small business owners, or a trade fair or some sort, come and show your business, what do you do. I would like to do that type of thing. I don't know, maybe that's what maybe that's what I should do. I just partner with a Facebook group. If you have business, you can showcase what you sell. I know what to do. Okay, thank you. It's good to talk. It's good to talk sometimes, because I've been like, I need to get my watch hours. Okay, so maybe that's what we're going to be doing, like a market type of thing of some sort. Come and sell, show what you sell. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys some other time.